Check 1, 2. Check, check, check. Is that picking up? I think so. Hoka hey, everything's A-okay. On my way to where the air is new. Can you tell me how to get to BOOZHOO? How to get to BOOZHOO? How to get to BOOZHOO? Eh? Okay, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am BOOZHOO, and this is the lovely Hoa and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello.
BOOZHOO, Gakina! Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the show!
And today, today's show is brought to you by the wonderful book Little Cutie, A Teddy Bear's Vision Quest by Michael Lyons. Little Cutie, let me just read the back here. Little Cutie is a ragged red and white teddy bear who goes on a vision quest to find out who he is and where he belongs. Along the way, Little Cutie gets advice from a number of woodland animals, all with Ojibwe names, about life, living with the humans, and how to find the Great Spirit, Hawa. Yeah, so, a couple of months ago, we actually read that book right on the podcast. But it's not a long book. It's a picture book for kids, It's like, 50 pages or so. But, it's too long to read in one podcast. So we broke it up into about five sections, I think. So I'll leave a link over to YouTube if you want to if you want to watch it. But basically the story of Little Cutie is little Cutie overhears the adults talking about his human Aubrey, and the adults are like, isn't Aubrey getting a little old for stuffed animals? And so Little Cutie, the stuffed bear, he thinks he's gonna have to go move out. He's gonna have to go live with the real bears at the old res dump. So he leaves the house. He doesn't even say goodbye. And as he's making his way, he runs across a series of animals, and they all know him, and they all like Little Cutie, but they all badmouth each other. So it's like, a Jidamoo, the squirrel. He's like, I don't understand how you could live with them humans in the first place. I don't let them within 20 feet of me. And the chickens, he meets the chickens, and they badmouth the fox, and the fox is mean to the chickens, and he's like insulting to the eagle. And what else? There's a butterfly. There's a skunk. And Jagog. Jagog thinks everyone's afraid of him because he doesn't have any friends except for Little Cutie. And all these animals, they give Little Cutie advice on how to find Gitchi Manadu, the Great Spirit. And when he finally finds him, he asks him, where he belongs. And so there's a lesson there about accepting yourself for who you are. And it's a really sweet story, actually. So let's make that the Ojibwe word of the day. Dibaajimon story. And Michael Lyons has written and illustrated a story about a teddy bear named Little Cutie. All right. You wanna do a song?
Yeah, sure. What do you want to do?
Should we try Take on Me?
Yeah, we can do that.
All right. This is by Aha. The song is called Take on Me. Talking away, I don't know what I'm to say, I'll say it anyway. Today's another day to find you shying away. I'll be coming for your love, okay? Take on me. Take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. So needless to say, I'm odds and ends, but I'll be stumbling awake, slowly learning that life is okay. Say after me, it's no better to be safe than sorry. Take on me. Take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. Garbage oftentimes will find food. And like I always say, just because it says it's expired don't mean it ain't so. So you're gonna finish that kale shake? Oh, the things that you say. Is it life or just to play my worries away? You're all the things I've got to remember. You shine away. I'll be coming for you anyway. Take on me. Take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. Take on me. Take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. In a day or two. In a day or two.
And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast. about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is not a BOOZHOO. And I will see you again. Gigawapamin, Minawa. Oh.
I mean, I'll eat just about everything, actually. Some people call me fruity because I like kale shakes. But I don't think that makes you fruity. No, I don't think it makes you fruity. I mean, there is a lot of fruit in a kale shake. What do you got in that kale shake? Well, let's see. There's kale, there's spinach, you got a cucumber. What is a cucumber? Is a cucumber vegetable? I don't know. I guess before right now, if you'd asked me, I would have thought of it as a vegetable. It's got seeds, so it makes it like fruit. Yeah, you know, I mean, like a strawberry. It's got strawberries. Yeah, I don't know.